welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Portia. All my friends call me Porsh, so you could call me Porsh too. I make beauty, lifestyle, and random bachelor and bachelorette videos here on the tube. So if you like any one of those videos, keep on watching. So I know I didn't upload a video for Saturday for my whole YouTube thing. I wasn't really feeling the greatest. I was kind of in a funk, if you will. So yeah, but we're back and we're better, kind of. I don't know. I need therapy. Who knows? So today we are back with episode 3 of how to start a YouTube channel for all of my babies that want to start a YouTube channel but have absolutely no idea where to start. This one is for you. So episode 3 is going to be about all things content related. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm blinding you guys right now. What is going on? What you should talk about, what you shouldn't talk about, maybe niching down, if you will. And yeah, all that stuff. So let's just get right into it. The most important thing that you need to know when you start making content is, what do you want to talk about? That is the most important thing. In other words, a lot of people say this 50 different ways, and this is niching down. Pretty much whatever you want to talk about is essentially going to be your niche. So if you like lifestyle content, like morning routines, night routines, beauty routines, Saturday routines, stuff like that, then you'll just focus on that particular type of content. Or if you like talking about Legos all the time, talk about Legos. Make a Lego channel. That is the beauty of YouTube. You can literally make a channel about any and everything. And if it's interesting and you put a lot of work into it, people are gonna watch it. So this also ties into the second thing that I want to talk about, which is how knowledgeable that you are about the subject that you want to talk about. Now, with that being said, I don't want you to think that you have to be like an encyclopedia or something in order to talk about something, because once again, as we know, I'm doing this series and I feel like I know nothing about starting or telling somebody how to start a YouTube channel. But yeah, here I am. I still have the information that I have. And I feel like it's useful to somebody out there. Stuff that I don't know about, there's plenty of other people on YouTube that make videos so I can find out all the stuff that I need to find out. So just because you may not feel like you're knowledgeable or know everything in a certain subject does not mean you can't talk about it, because somebody's gonna want to hear what you have to say. If you really want to talk about a subject that you may not know that much about, just Google it, find out a little bit more research about it, make some notes, and then go from there. So segueing into that is going to be how you plan on delivering this information. Now, there's a ton of ways that you can create your content. You can do sit down content. You can do it more like just visual content, like showing somebody just how to do it, not necessarily just sitting down and talking about it. There's a million different ways that you can kind of put it together so it can be interesting enough for the viewer and it makes you stand out amongst. So number 4 is definitely going to be find a common ground. You want to make your content as relatable as possible. So if somebody sees you and sees what you're talking about, you want them to go, this is what I've been searching for my whole entire life, or at least for the past like 2 hours. Number 5 is just going to be plan it out. So what you want to do is either take a pad or a pen, or if you want, you could just use your phone and just write out whatever you want to talk about. Just write a whole paragraph or whatever, or just try to write bullet points, see what comes to mind, and then that way you can kind of organize your thoughts. That way you're not really stumbling over your words. you kind of know what you're talking about and you have a clear and concise vision as to where you want things to lead next. And then number 6, which is going to be a bonus tip, is to create more topics slash subtopics with what you're talking about. So you want to take what you're talking about. For instance, at the very beginning of the video, I said something about if you want to make a video about Legos, start talking about the history of Legos or how a Lego is created or performed, or like what all the, I don't know what people talk about when it comes to Lego, but I'm sure you can make a whole series about it. So that just creates more content for you. And then sometimes when you're talking about something, somebody might leave in the comment section that they actually want you to go deeper into a phrase that you said or a topic that you said that you didn't even think that was going to be really that important, but people actually paid attention to it. So with that being said, that is pretty much it for episode 3 of starting a YouTube channel. So as I stated before, this is super in-depth, so if you feel like this is going a little bit slow for you, I get it, I understand. I'm not gonna put everything on the video, hence my last tip, subtopics. I'm breaking everything down because I just want to make sure that I'm explaining everything that I possibly can to you guys to the best of my ability. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I make content twice a week and sometimes 3 times a week. So if you see that little bonus video fly in there, just make sure you click. Also, you can also hit the notification bell just in case I ever upload a bonus 3rd video, and then you'll be notified right away so you can be the first person to watch it. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.